Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this lovely egg holder flower. This project is very easy and quick to do, so it's perfect for the beginners. For this project I use one skein of cotton soft bio from Mondial. You can find more information in the description box. And a 3.5 millimeters hook. I will use this kit from Prym. First we are going to create a magic ring. Now chain 4 and this counts as your first treble crochet. Then we do 4 treble crochet into the ring. To create a treble crochet, you just yarn over hook twice, then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through 2 loops and repeat again twice. So now we have a group of 5 treble crochet. So now chain 5 and now we do 5 treble crochets into the ring. So now chain 5, then we do 5 treble crochet into the ring again. Now chain 5, then we do 5 treble crochets into the ring. Chain 5, then we do the last group of 5 treble crochet into the ring. chain 5, this is the last time, then pull the tail, then join with the slip stitch into the 4th chain. And this is the first round. Okay, now we move into the center of this 5 treble crochet group. So first we do 1 slip stitch into the next stitch. Then we do 1 slip stitch into the next one. Chain 1, then we do 1 single crochet into this stitch. And now we jump directly into the chain 5 space, where we do 6 double crochet. Six double crochets, chain 3, then we do 6 double crochets all in the same space. And this is the first petal. So now we jump directly into the center of the group in the 3rd stitch, where we do 1 single crochet. Now we move directly into the next space, where we do 6 double crochets. Chain 3, then 6 double crochets all in the same space. And now we do 1 single crochet into the 3rd stitch. And repeat this sequence until the end of this round. and of course join with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. And now we are ready to cut the yarn, then weave the tails inside the work using a tapestry needle. Then create another one. Okay, now I have 2 flowers, and all we have to do now is to sew them together using a single crochet. I suggest to put a clip because we need to leave a little open, so only one petal will be open on the upper part to insert the little chocolate eggs. So we skip the first 2 stitches here, then insert the hook into the third. So now chain 1, then we do 1 single crochet into the stitch, then we do 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches. I suggest to put a clip, another clip here, then we do 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches. And now we do 1 slip stitch into the next stitch. The next stitch is the single crochet of the previous row. So we do 1 single crochet into the double crochet of the previous row, 1 slip stitch into the single crochet of the previous row. So we do 1 single crochet into the next stitch until we reach the chain 3 space of the previous row. So now we do 3 double crochets into the chain 3 space of the previous row. So remember, we do 1 single crochet into each double crochet of the previous row, 1 slip stitch into the single crochet of the previous row, then 3 single crochets into the chain 3 space, and continue to do this until the end of this row. Now pay attention, remember to leave the last 2 stitches here unworked. So we do 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches. And now we are ready to cut the yarn, then weave the tails as we did before. And now we are ready to insert the little chocolate eggs. And now I will use a ribbon to close my flower. And now let me show you the finished egg holder flower. I want to show you another I've made before. I suggest to create the egg holder flower in many different colors so you can use it as a placeholder for your Easter table. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your flower egg holder. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!